India is going to be the biggest dumping ground of the whole world, all because of AI, and it is going to be really, really bad. Every country is going to be polluting India for the next 3 to 5 years, and here's the full story. So it actually starts from this data where a lot of data centers in the US were cancelled. In fact, that number quadrupled to 25 in 2025, or perhaps just delayed. And almost half of the data centers that have been planned in the US in 2026 are going to be cancelled because the Western government really cares about its citizens. The Tuscan City Council halted the $250 million data center project by a tech giant like Amazon because the people protested about the depletion of fresh drinking water. Similar thing happened with Meta's $1 billion Michigan project. Ireland also restricted new data centers near Dublin just so that they can protect the life of the citizens. So on one hand, all the countries are saying no to data centers, but the AI wave is still happening. And guess who is saying yes to all these data centers? You guessed it right. India. What is alarming is yet to come. Microsoft alone is investing almost $17.5 billion for the data centers in India, which is its highest investment in Asia. And Google is also not behind. It's going to set up its biggest data center in India, in Vizag, outside of the US, which is going to be equal to 450 international football grounds. And do you know how much time it took to get this deal signed with India? Less than 10 days. That in a lot of US and European countries, the citizens are standing up and the government is listening to these citizens and saying, we are ready to cancel $1 billion of deal because we want to protect the life of the citizens. But in India, some of the companies don't even file an EIA for the environmental impact that it's going to have, and कोई public hearing भी नहीं होती है. See, मैंने मेरे पुराने reels में AI water consumption के बारे में भी cover किया है, where these data centers consume 800 million liters of water every year, and this is fresh water. So fresh water depletion, but at the same time soil irrigation issues. How much is this going to impact agriculture? As an Indian and as a techie who is working closely with these technologies, it really boils my blood to see that on one side the developed countries are saying no to data centers, but on the other side, in developing countries, having data centers is looked upon as a way to celebrate without knowing its demerits. This will definitely have a negative impact on the cities where these data centers are being put. Maybe not in the next 2